How to get dates on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get dates on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. After you log into your eHarmony account, you'll come to the Discover section like this. Now talking about getting dates on eHarmony, there is a single method by which you can get dates on the platform, and that is by keep on liking the profiles that you find interesting and then getting matches. After you get on matches, you'll have to make a good impression on the other person and get to know each other. As you know each other and get comfortable, you can ask out other person and go on dates with them. That is the basic process by which you get dates on eHarmony. However, to do that, you have to remember some very important details which can help you to develop an understanding with the other person and get dates. The first of them is to make a good impression on the other person. So always start with good photos, a good bio and other things. As you express yourself more on the platform, there are chances that the other people will find you interesting or will be able to understand you more. Then after, treat every message as an opportunity for connection. Basically put your efforts while talking to the other person. Furthermore, make sure to keep the conversation flowing and then carry on with it. As you build connection with the other person, you can ask them out on a date and then go out. So these are some of the things that you have to keep in mind in order to get dates on eHarmony. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.